Hi Dimple, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Okay,
I just finished with my exam.
okay, great. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Miss Dimple today with us. She enrolled for Cybersecurity training program with I-MEDITA. She enrolled for CEH Certified Ethical Hacker program. She completed her training recently and prepared for the examination. And today, the day we are recording this video, 20th of December, she attempted her CH examination and cracked the examination the first attempt itself. She scored very good marks in the examination. So today in this session, in this particular feedback session, we are going to discuss about her background, about her training experience, what kind of approach she took for the examination preparation, and other aspects of the training. So, hi Dimple, welcome again, and let's get started. So, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, a quick introduction about yourself, please?
Um, I studied B.Sc in forensic science, and recently I had interest in cybersecurity. That's why I searched for training in Pune here itself and came across I-MEDITA. That's that's where I came here, met
Okay.
the counselors, and they told me that you should do CCNA first. So I enrolled for CCNA and then CEH. So overall experience was amazing. The teacher teaching and the practical lab sessions were everything was perfect on its place, and I practiced and they even answered every doubt of mine.
So, you
So
enrolled
overall
for
it was
two courses,
good.
CCNA and CEH, right?
Yes.
And I am sure you must have taken these two training from two different instructors here at iMedita.
Yes, yes.
So, you took CCNA from which instructor?
Uh, Sudhanshu Bhatt,
Okay. And CEH?
Yuvraj Singh.
So, how was the overall experience with these two different instructors?
Overall experience was best actually. Sudhanshu Bhatt taught very clearly, and it was amazing. It was offline here itself in I-MEDITA. With CEH was online, and it was a weekend batch, so I got time to manage everything and learned everything.
Okay, great. And during CCNA and during CH, how much time you spend on daily basis? 2 hours, 3 hours of your classes. Apart from that, how much self-study and self-practice you did?
I gave 2 hours to each, like CCNA first, and then I started CEH in mid session of CCNA, and that's where I started my journey. Like I gave 2 hours for each
Okay.
of them. Yeah.
So how you got to know about iMedita? Because you are taking these courses for the very first time here.
Yes. Yes.
So how you got to know about iMedita?
I searched about it on Google. So came across iMedita, which is EC Council accredited. That's why I
Okay.
came here.
Okay. And I am sure before you enrolled here with iMedita, there must be certain expectations. Whenever we buy any product, any services, there are expectations at an individual level. And now when you have completed both of the training and also your CH certification, so I would
Yes.
like to understand from your end, before enrolling here, there must be certain expectation. Now, when you have completed almost everything, were we able to meet those expectations for you?
Yes, definitely. I expected that I should gain knowledge, technical knowledge. Personally, I had no technical knowledge about that because of my field, which is forensic science, but got interest in cybersecurity. So I had expectations that I should know every basic thing about cybersecurity, and that's where I got to know first I should know about networking and got enrolled. And every expectation of mine was fulfilled here.
So, what are the two, three major things you liked here at iMedita?
Instructor are best, uh
Mm-hmm.
like they taught me very good, and even the like lab experience was good, and theory part was also good.
So, during lab practice, you used during a CCNA training, did you perform practicals on real routers and switches also?
Yes, here in I-MEDITA, there are real routers and switches. I perform the
Okay.
practicals over there.
And CH, how did you manage the practicals?
I the tools were given by them, instructor, and
You
that's
set up
where
your
I, yeah, yeah,
and you got
I
all the
set.
required study material, lab access,
Yes,
live classes access at the right time, right?
yes, yes, everything.
So what motivated you to go for the CH certification? Because you are from the cybersecurity forensics background, that was the reason and motivation, or why you planned for CEH and CCNA?
In future, I'm planning for cyber security. That's why I thought that I should be able to know at least basics, some of the basics, and that's why I enrolled here
Okay.
for.
So based on your experience throughout the training, on a scale of 10, how would you rate iMedita services and training?
I would definitely rate 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10.
Okay. Any suggestion, any feedback for us?
No, everything is just perfect.
Okay, great. Thank you, Dimple. Thank you for giving us a valuable time. We wish you all the very best. Being a recent graduate, you have a
Thank
lot of
you.
things to learn. Prepare well for your interviews. These training and certification will be definitely helpful for your interviews as well. Revise all the concepts and learn them, do practicals, stay in touch. And if in case you feel that you require any assistance, any career guidance, reach out to our team. We are there to assist you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.